What's up guys, welcome to the 31st tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about the union data type. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before we do that, let's just explain what the word union is and how it's used. So, a union looks like a structure, but it's not. It uses the keyword union instead of struct. So the difference between unions and structures: a structure defines an aggregate of adjacent data members, and a union defines a memory address shared by all its data members. A union can contain only one variable at a time. The value is of the type of one of its members. All its members occupy the same memory location. The size of a union variable is the size of its widest members. Okay, so let's start. So I can say union holder or whatever, curly braces, and I can say int int or whatever, and then I can say char char. This is how you declare a union. So let's go to the next line and say void display holder, and then holder HLD, and then char star T. And now the next line we can just start printing these things out. std cout new line init, close that off, put in T, with a new line, and now close that off. I can just copy all of this, paste it, and now just start changing all this. Change this to int, and now this changes to HLD dot int, and now this one changes to char. Get rid of that, get rid of that. If I just copy this again, paste it here, and now change this to char. Okay. So now if we're going to the main program, int main holder HLD dot char equals capital A or whatever, and then display holder HLD, and then char, but just remove there you go. And I can say HLD dot int equals 77 or whatever. Display holder HLD, that's correct. And that should be int. That needs to be closed off. Let's execute this program and see what we get. But before we do that, let's just go through all the steps and see what we're doing. So where it says union holder, we declare the union. Where it says holder HLD, instantiate a union variable. Where it says HLD.char equals A assigned to the variable's char member. where it says hld.hint assigned to the variable's int member. So let's just execute this and see what we get. Okay, so init d char hint equals that. We can just put the equals there if we need to. Save this and run it again and see what we get. Run that again, see what we get. So hint equals that value. H, is that correct? Is that wrong? It looks wrong because it shouldn't be saying car, it should be saying char. But that really doesn't matter. Save that, print it out again and see what we get. That looks better. So init the char hint is that value, hchar is a, same thing. So hint 77 char whatever you call it equals m. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.